In today's video, we'll discuss why your Cisco Access Point AP is blinking blue and how to fix it. A blue blinking light on your Cisco AP most likely indicates that a software update is in progress. This is a normal behavior to minimize network outages and eliminate bugs. The best course of action is to wait for the update to complete. However, if the blinking persists for hours, there might be another issue at play. One possible cause is that your APP is connected to a patch panel, which could be causing the blue blinking light. If you have multiple apps, you might use a patch panel to connect the devices to electrical sockets. While patch panels are convenient for monitoring and testing circuits, they can sometimes cause Cisco apps to malfunction when their consoles are connected to switches. To rectify the issue, follow these steps. Switch off all devices connected to the patch panel. Next, unplug the AP from the panel or switch and then power cycle the AP. Check to see if the blue blinking light has stopped. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.